Hi, I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and I'm going to show you how to check for mold. First off, finding mold in your home is pretty easy for any homeowner. Looking around the cracks and crevices of your bathroom, you'll usually find a little bit. You want to clean it off, spray a little all-purpose cleaner and scrub it. If that doesn't work, spray a little bit of bleach water or maybe a little more abrasive cleaner on it to get rid of it. And spray it with a little bit of bleach water afterwards to make sure that no mold grows back. If you're still smelling mold before you buy a house, new or old, you want to check for mold within the walls. You can get a home inspection where they use a thermal imaging camera and they can see the cool spots within your walls. The cool spots are caused by water, so they can see where mold may be growing. Usually your insurance company will reimburse you for the cost of that. And also, they can see if there's any hot spots in your wall, like caused by bad wiring or something like that. And the insurance company pays for it, obviously, because it could be a risk for them. They may end up having to replace a whole section of your house because of mold or because of a fire risk. I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and that is how you check for mold.